Here's the noon update for February 7, 2013. On the Dow 30-day 1-minute chart, we're pretty much stuck in a weird formation. It looks like a sideways 4, but we may have completed the 3 and we're entering a 4. Basically, if 14,025 approximately was the top of the 3, then we may correct to. Well, I would like to see this thing drop 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm thinking around 13,700, 13,750 is the worst case scenario. That'd be about 0.382 of the entire 3. And what I like to see is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so I can buy those at the lowest possible price. That's my favorite formation, and believe it or not, I can't even remember a time when I bought 5 ways down and the trade failed. The last 5 way down trade was SSO, and it became a profitable trade. And I honestly don't remember a time when a 5 wave down trade that I've made has been unsuccessful. It's been the most successful trade in the past year and a half. But again, yeah, if you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to around 13,750, I'd probably consider buying. Well, in the S&P, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 target would be about let me see. If you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down S&P, target would be about 1485 at the low. And I would like to see full 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. If we make to around 1487 to 1490, we get that kind of move in a full 5 wave impulse with a 4, that's 0.382, and a 5 down, I would consider buying again. But I am not going to buy a breakout. If you bought breakouts in the past 7 days, you pretty much gotten killed. I had one bad trade, which it wasn't really. It was a short trade to hedge against my long position, and the rally spiked up, and I covered around 1508 in the S&P, the SPXU, but I still had 2 profitable trades. So yeah, my 16 trade winning streak came to an end on that one trade, but I started a new streak of 2. So maybe I'll do it. Maybe it'll be a streak of like 20 in a row. I was trying to. That's probably the longest streak I've ever had. Is 16 in a row, and hopefully that I can make it like 20 in a row, 25 in a row. But yeah, I was that it wasn't really it was more like a hedge trade, and it wasn't like a long trade. So that was a hedge trade to hedge against what I thought was gonna be a gap down, turned to be a gap up. But again, in order for me to make a new entry here, I would need to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, as opposed to 0.76 breakout. From NASDAQ, looks like we're on a 4, 1, 2, 3. It's got a big 3 down, so we get 3, 4, 5 to around 3120. I would rather buy UPRO because NASDAQ's been pretty weak. So I'll just look at UPRO or SPX. Yeah, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to like 100, between 99 and 100, and it's a pure 5 waves down with 1, 2, 3, 4.382 and 5 waves down that I would consider buying. But for now, I'm on the sidelines, and if we do rally again, which I don't want, I won't buy it because it's just really sideways. It's been a tough market the past week, so in order for me to feel confident about a trade, is to see a 5 wave pattern that goes down. That's a wrap.